8 months worth of crap. I'm gonna remove this rust stain right here and then the rest of the bed. Look at that. Yeah. Probably should have got the leaf blower. So what we're gonna do is I have some F9 bark up in that spray bottle. I'm gonna let this down a little bit. And I'm gonna hop up in here. We're gonna spray some of this F9. I know a lot of people are probably like, well, why don't you just take your bed liner out? Because I don't want to yet. Not yet. I think in the winter, I'm gonna take it out. When the skid comes out again, I'm gonna take it out and spray the whole bed with that Rhino liner shit. But, all right, let's see. Oh, I gotta adjust that spray, I don't like that. This is just a test. I don't think this, I mean, it couldn't work. I have no idea. I'm gonna see. Let that sit for a few minutes. I don't know if it's gonna take that out or not. Maybe, maybe not. We shall see. Huh? Yeah, look. There you go. All right, would you look at that? We'll come back and actually worked like fantastic. There's still little tiny bits of remnants, but that's okay. And like right here, that's all right. This whole stain came out. All of this staining underneath and on the wheel well came out. So, hey, F9 for the win. All right, let's go. I'm gonna keep washing the rest of the truck. And this is part 2 of the truck makeover. So, should be by Friday. I'll have everything back up in the truck. Gives me a couple of days to get some odds and ends fittings that I'm gonna need. Like for instance, the machine's gonna be like here. Unloader block is right over there. So I'm gonna have to go 1/2-inch whip line to come up and then just to feed the unloader block, and then you can shrink back down to 3/8. And I need some fittings for the tank. I'm thinking about buying another Remco pump and putting it up somewhere as like a bleach transfer station. So have everything on cam locks and have like a line to come down like out to the floor to siphon from the drum or siphon from a 5-gallon and then right into the tank, because I'm not gonna have, this isn't gonna be open anymore for me to just walk through it. So all right, I'm gonna keep washing the truck, put some tire shine up on these wheels. They definitely need it. I'm in no way a mobile detail guy, so I am not an expert at any of this stuff. I just do it to keep my presence clean. All right, I'll check in after the truck is nice and dry, and we'll see how this bed looks. That looks pretty good to me. Not a pro. All right, I think the bed looks really good. F9 for the win. I'm out to go get some parts. I need like random things, like just stupid little random things. I have everything else for the 8-gallon. So let's go. One call does it all. Like, comment, subscribe for more.